Our customers are at the core of everything that we do, and we sit down with them and ask them, like, what are some problems that we can help you solve?
One of the things we hear when we talk to customers is as products are getting larger and larger, they're also getting so much heavier. We have products that can weigh 300 to 400 pounds for simple sliding glass door panels, and that puts a really big burden on the installation community, on homeowners to just move and operate these big and heavy doors.
People who know how to install these products, they're aging, and one of the things that our customer always says, hey, if you want to be in the window and door install business, back pain is something almost you have to get used to. When Corning approached us about, hey, we have this glass that is the thickness of a mechanical pencil lead. Can you guys use this?
And it is a borosilicate glass that is very strong in its natural state. This glass technology is a slightly different composition that's really geared toward architectural glass and what a window or door goes through.
And then we decided, well, can we laminate it? So at the very beginning, we're figuring out what inner layer works. How do we handle this glass? Handling thin glass is close to like handling paper. It behaves a lot more like paper than, say, a rigid piece of glass. We went through years of just figuring out how to handle it, how to laminate it. What is the technology that we're going to use to laminate it?
And we can reduce up to 45% of the weight out of products while still having excellent impact resistance, strong structural integrity, and there's some supplementary benefits. This glass is 3 times as scratch resistant as standard glass. It always faces the inside of the home, so the homeowner gets those benefits.
Our initial feedback from our customer is they want this glass. 45% weight reduction is something that is unheard of. It's going to disrupt the market, and no one else is going to have it.